How to fix Spotify recommendations on Spotify. Today guys, I will show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. On Spotify, open it and go to storage option and go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.